just briefly show you how I make this parted closure. Most of my laces, most of my lace wigs, I do parted closures and the rest. So this is a 2x6 closure, and as you can see, we've already ventilated the parts that we need to ventilate. So you just ventilate it like this. Let me show you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to run this. I'm using a sewing machine, and I'm using this zigzag stitch, and the width is on 4, length is on 3. And you decide to adjust it as we sew. So I'm just going to show you guys. Just try and repeat exactly what I'm doing. It's very easy, nothing so serious. Just going to place it on this corner like that. And sew. See that? Just going to go around. So I just lifted the pedal. At this point, gradually control it so you don't lose control over the area you're working on. Okay, spread your nets and you continue. So now once I get to this part, I'm just going to gradually cut off that area. Okay. And there you have it. We're done with the first section. So this is the second one. I'm just going to place it here. I think I want about at least 3 rows on this because I want the closure to be a little bit thick. Okay. So I'm just going to run through to the other side. This is the last one. This is the very last one. So be careful so you don't attach it to where you're not supposed to. So yeah guys, there you have it, your parted closure. I'm going to use this for a wig and then I'll show you guys what it really looks like, what the finishing is like. So wait to the end of the video and I'll show you what the finishing is like. This is what it looks like after attaching it to the wig cap. I'm going to turn it over for you guys. So guys, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. And yep, parted closure, 2x6 closure. So this is it. So yes, we make wigs. You can send in your bundles if you want us to turn them to wigs. Okay, we make wigs at very affordable rates. So you can call the number on the screen for that. Okay. So yes, that's it. I think I have finished up this. I have finished up this wig. How about do this? Do this.